Hi friends, this is David Feinstein, your success coach. I'm here with you today to help you to become a master of attraction marketing. Like most good students in the MLM industry, we're told by our sponsors and upline, make lists of a warm market. You know, your friends, your family, the dry cleaners, the accountant, your doctor, personal trainer, store clerks, local businessmen, everyone that knows your name. And then we're told to get people on three-way calls with our upline, go meet people at shopping malls, at seminars, go to events and go to expos, and even make up a booth and display your products and speak about your company. And talk to everyone who comes within 3 feet of you. Well, I don't know about you and your success with doing that, but I can tell you this. After spending 20 years in the industry, that most people get an enormous amount of rejection, and even family members who say, don't ever call me again. And sometimes just ruining friendships. Isn't that just pressure? Yep, that's the way that most people are taught to build their MLM business. Well, folks, I've got news for you. There is a serious problem with the old method if you are only depending upon that method to build your network. Yes, I do believe that the old method can produce some really great potential prospects who could become leaders. But honestly, do you really believe that if you contacted and met with all of your friends and family, and even neighbors that you don't know, and presented your business opportunity and products, that you'd make a large annual 6-figure income? I don't think so. The chances of that happening are slim to zero, and folks, Slim just left town. However, I still believe that the old method, when combined with new world technology and cutting-edge strategies of marketing, can achieve that annual large 6-figure income. We have a unique paradigm shift that's occurred in the MLM industry that was badly needed. And today, the idea of marketing as in network marketing has never been clearer or simpler. Marketing for any business is about being able to attract people to you, being attracted to whatever it is that you're marketing. When you are clear about your target market and market to a specific market niche, you can have success. You compare that to the old traditional methods where you're approaching and talking to people who are totally untargeted. You're praying that you'll find some prospects that may have interest in what you're marketing. What a difference in your business plan that can make when you target those who want what you're offering. Now, to achieve good results, you need a clear marketing plan that's laser-focused to those people who are looking for an MLM business opportunity or the type of products that you're offering. Having a targeted market in your sites will always create the best success in marketing. The first thing you need to understand is that success is no mystery. Success isn't any secret locked up in some cave that you'll never discover. In fact, the secret to success is so simple, so in front of most people's faces that they just completely miss it. What I'm about to share with you makes real sense. It will resonate in your heart and in your mind because it's the absolute real information that I've learned over the past 20 years. And if you take what I'm about to share with you to heart, there's no way in heck that you can't create as much success as I've had, if not more. So what's the secret, you're asking? It's actually 2 things. In order to build the lifestyle of your dreams and create a walk-away residual income that pays you for the rest of your life, you need to master these 2 things. 1, marketing. Having a system that works that your prospect will believe in to make them a success. Leadership. Your prospect sees you as a leader, a mentor to guide them towards success. That's it, my friends. And when you learn how to be a master marketer, able to command the exact people you need to grow a huge business right to you, you can achieve great financial success. When you top it off with real leadership, personal development, and psychological branding principles, you will be a force for success more powerful than a hurricane. So when you master these vital qualities, you'll be like a magnet, attracting people to you all the time. you would have mastered the spirit of attraction marketing, offering value to all those who seek your knowledge and mentorship. And now is the time to become the master and to teach others. To get the real innovative marketing knowledge and training so that you can be at the cutting edge of using technology to build your network marketing business correctly, visit our website at www.partnerwiththemasterminds.com. Let me say that again. Visit www.partnerwiththemasterminds.com. I want to thank you for visiting with us today, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.